na ipapasok ng Pure Foods. Ito si Hison umatake. He misses that shot and a deliberate foul has been called
On Ravena.
on number 8. This is Donking Sasuman, Dr. J.
Si
On
Sasuman.
undercutting, I think, Vince Hison.
Tignan nga natin itong play dahil ito opposite where we are. There's the knee.
At yun yung batok, Dr. J. Nakita mo kaya si Hison reacted dahil yung foul batok. Ito, tingnan natin from another angle. This is Hison. Ito si Sasuman. Pak! Kabit, tinamaan sa batok. Ito si Vince Hison. Vince Hison was reacting. Buti na lang, nakontrol niya yung sarili niya. Dr. J, early on, nakikita natin physical yung laro dito.
Well, it has to be. I think eventually there is no championship series wherein players love each other. Alam natin sa New York, Georgetown player si Ewing at saka si Monic. Pero pagdating ng playoffs, hiwalay-hiwalay muna tayo, hindi ba?
Ayaw nilang magpansinan ngayon. Although parang magkapatid sila galing sa iisang kampo o isang tatay nila.